Hi, this is the game which is a quiz type game which we would like to show you. So in this game, the name of this game is Category Wars. So this is actually a multiplayer game. Users can invite uh, their friends who have this game on their devices, and they can play with them. And they can log in with Facebook, log in with their email IDs, and sign up. Sign up from here, and from Facebook with login with their email IDs, and the users can also play single player. So right now we are going to demonstrate how to play this game as single player, so which will demonstrate the main features of this game. So here we will enter the names or the nicknames of both the players. Like my name Imran, and the other player could be Heather. Okay, so I entered both, and next, here on this screen we will have to uh, just do a random selection of letters uh, according to which the questions would come. If A is selected, the questions would come. We will have to put our answers into this app starting from letter A. Similarly with other letters. So just to select any letter randomly, push here and push to stop, and we selected K. So now all the answers uh, we'll have to enter with letter K. So suppose here we can, it could be K A K I. Okay, so now there could be something with this. Now we can answer any letter. Leave it boys names. All the answers that we are going to enter here will be compared with the answers already saved in the database. So we will have to assume right. So here it is wrong. What we can do, okay, next, twice, maybe right, fish, we don't know. So we must know some of the answers. Okay, so movies, let's move on. Girl's name, animals, brand or singer, candy. Okay, then we'll just lock in. Okay, are you sure? Yes. Now we'll pass the device to the another player. My answers are submitted, and I'll pass the device to the next player. Now Heather will play. He will enter his answers. Suppose he does just next, 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 next. Okay, he can also come back and answer some of the questions. Suppose here he answered KH. Okay, next, 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 and then lock in. Okay, yes. Now the answers will be compared to the database, and the result will be shown. Show score. So here it is showing that some of the answers were, or so for each answer which is answered right, user will get 10 points. So nothing was answered right, so user got no points. Time bonus is 0.9 seconds, which means that uh, 9 seconds were left, so his total becomes 9. And Heather did quickly. He answered nothing, but no answers were correct, but he answered quickly, and his time bonus was 72 seconds, which means 72 seconds were left. So he is the winner, and if we click done, here it shows the game over screen. Heather winner, and then we can start a new game from here. We can post the score, post this score on Facebook, the score that we achieved, and send the game to a friend. All these things we can do, then we can start a new game from here. Okay.